Hey, hi everyone. So today we will learn how to create a Cucumber framework using a Maven project in Java. So first we will create a project in the Eclipse. So we go to file section, we go to new and select project, and here we will be having different folders. Click on the Maven drop down, select Maven project, and then for now you can create a simple project. Just check that box, click on next. You can give the group ID as Cucumber framework. So you can give the same name for the artifact ID. You can use same for group ID and artifact ID. Just click on finish. Now you have the Cucumber framework project with Maven dependencies. You can see here. So here we have to add Maven dependencies for Cucumber framework. So let's navigate to Maven repository. This is the Maven repository. Here you search for Cucumber. Here you select Cucumber Java. Select the latest version. Copy the dependency and add it in the form.xml file just below the version. Just add dependencies tag before you add any dependency. To add the dependency within the dependencies tag, you have to add one more dependency, Cucumber Java and Cucumber JUnit. You have to add. Select the latest, copy the path, and add these dependency also here. Just clear this off, just to keep it clean. Now you can save it and can just update the project using go to Maven, right click on project and go to Maven and update the project, and okay. Here you can see build just updated. Now can create a feature file. For that, first we'll create a features folder that will create one file naming, say login feature, login screen feature, finish. So we'll get a default tags and default keywords here. So we'll just clear them off and we'll write fresh. First we write feature, what feature it is, login screen. Again we need a scenario, we have to mention the scenario it is. And we have to mention the steps given login screen. Given and then enter credentials and login, and we validate this using then user should be navigated to home page. Okay, you can save this, and we'll be needing a test runner to run any test. So we'll create a package for that test runner, and we'll be needing steps to perform the actions in the login screen. So we'll give a create a folder for steps also. So in steps we'll give login steps. Okay, login steps. Here we can start using given, same as in we have to use same steps as here. We have to use same, the steps should match in the login steps also. See here I'm getting suggestions from Copilot user. Just copy the same steps here and I'll use here, and I'm naming this mirror is a login screen. I'll import this given, then when user enters username and password, no, not this. I'll just login. I am not going to use the suggestion here. These steps should match with the feature file. I'll write a method for that. When the W should be capital, import it and write then should write tag, import it. So reason not this. We'll use this same step from the feature file. Just create a method and import this then tag from Cucumber Java, Cucumber Java, and now we'll create a test runner to run our test. Create a test runner and we'll use a run with tag to run the Cucumber class. We have to import the else. Cucumber options we'll be using. Sorry, we should be using these tags outside the this class. We won't be writing anything within this test runner. If you want to print any values in the test runner, you can print it using static block, but we won't be writing any methods or anything. And here import this one also. Or cannot be resolved to the type. No, what is this error? Check what's the error. Just go to GitHub Copilot here. Sorry, I think I entered the wrong one. Oh, what is this error? Let's search for the error. No, imported required. Okay, we'll just import this method. Cucumber Jet. I'll import this class, and now it is ready. So features. So in Cucumber options, we'll be giving where the feature files are. So here we have in the main project section in the feature folder. So glue, this keyword is used to test the steps where we have the steps. So we have given steps folder, package name here, and plugin we are using to get the HTML report. So we have given the target as the target, this target folder as the plugin for the HTML remote, and we can remove this tags. We'll discuss the tags later. This command also should be removed, and let's save everything. Save it. And now you can run the test runner. Right click on the file, run as JUnit test. Yes, our test got passed. You can see in the console also we have all the steps mentioned here. All the steps are passed. So here we have the method names before that, and we can see all tests have been passed, and it printed the output. So we can go to JUnit tab, and we can check how many tests are failed, how many tests are passed. In future we'll run multiple tests and we'll see. So here we can see everything. Yeah, feature file. Yeah, that's it. You can try it. You can let me know if you have any doubts. So for this, before you are creating this, you need to have a JDK installed in your system, and path variables should also be set.